Read the letter.
Hi guys.
Not on.
Yes, it is.
Oh, hi guys. I didn't know I turned it on. I'm sorry.
As you can see, we have a lot of stuff
They
here.
can't see.
You can see.
We are going to be building a birdhouse.
And we
It's
have
actually really small.
lots of stuff around
And
us.
would you like to see what we have set up? Yeah.
We have some gyms around here too.
We're gonna.
There.
Okay, so you can't see our faces now, but these are all the pieces, and I got my new hot glue gun that my mom bought me. That reminds me, I should text her to get me some more glue sticks. She's off soon. All those years.
So I'll show you what we got. This pack is a pack of little gems. They're not real. And I got this that has glue. We have lots of pack of glue.
Just wait now.
And we have some palettes of
Paint.
and some glitter glue. And our birdhouse we're going to paint.
Okay,
we're going
so
to also put some gems on it.
This does not come with instructions. This does not come with any, excuse me, thing else than this. Ouch, my foot. Ooh.
And this is really for birds.
Oh God, I'm gonna have to glue that in. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it together in, like, look at how it's supposed to go. So it's supposed to have that there.
But we're not painting it the way it's supposed to go. We're just going to let our imagination go.
Even though this was mine, I gave this to Kirsten. I don't know if you guys know that. Okay, pass me the other end of the birdhouse, please.
The other end right here.
I'm not puffing at you. I felt funky. Okay, so that'll be like that. So that's that there. Do you want me to glue it and then we'll paint it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to wait a couple minutes for the glue to dry.
Or we have some backup glue, so I say black up. So we have some backup glue, so we could use this.
Yeah, but we're gonna use this because we know this will work.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, we forgot to show you the paint brushes. Mine is longer than yours. Wow. Did you paint your paintbrush?
I think my mom got me a glue stick that's too big. No?
No.
Okay.
Just had to wait for a little bit. Now, guys, don't touch that. I recommend.
If you're doing this, let an adult.
Yeah, I recommend getting an adult to do it. Or if you have any one of these palettes, like this one right here, you could use the glue that's right here.
Yeah, you guys could actually use the glue that came with it.
We have a lot of glue in case we run out, so we got this big bottle. You saw the glue gun. We got this big bottle and the glue gun. And for some reason, I thought that was white paint, but it's actually glue, guys.
Yeah,
I can't believe
I
they
read
put
it.
that there.
It says glue on the paint palette.
G-L-U-E. I can't hear the G in glue. There's nothing going on in the background. Probably your ears are bad.
What are you talking about?
Nothing going on in the background, guys. Don't worry. I was very freaked out over that.
Okay,
ghost
so,
that
and these two will go like that. I'm just trying to see how it goes. We also have a cup of cold water for, yes, the paint, but also in case if I get burned myself, because you're supposed to put your hand in cold water when you burn yourself. So this is what goes there. These two go up there, and then these go on top. And then
I have no idea what this plastic thing is from.
And these
So I'll just
go on
put
bottom.
the pieces.
And this goes on the back. Right? Wrong. Huh. I think there might be an extra piece, whatever. This is gonna be the hard part once we put the little, no, not this here, I mean, like once we put the little stick in, the little perch for the birds.
Yeah. And by the way, I'm not sure if this is for real birds or
No,
it's
just a decoration. It's way too small for real birds. This is gonna be hard too.
And guys, no, don't put your finger inside of that hole because it might get stuck.
Definitely if it's on.
Don't even put your pinky in because there might be glue around it.
Sorry about all the cords, you guys, in front of your face.
Sorry, guys, I'm just.
So that's it so far. I'm gonna glue these ones on now. So it goes here. Yeah, it goes like this. Sorry guys, I'm sorry that's really not well done. This isn't because
And sorry if
there's no instructions.
Sorry if there's noises because Brianna has very bad hiccups.
Yeah, I do. And I'm sorry if where it's taking us so long to do it. It's because there's no instructions, so I'm just going off a photo.
But we're not doing like the paint away the photo. No, we're just doing our paint.
Oh, you're my hair.
Sorry.
I need to put my stick in. And if nobody knows how to use a glue gun, what you do is you put a stick in and then put another stick in behind it so that when the stick gets too small, down too low, this stick will push it in more.
And no, kids, don't use a glue gun.
No.
Or put the box over your face. Or put
Pass me the glue gun. It didn't, oh, no, I got it. It didn't stick. And by the way, also, if your parents are doing this, tell them to go fast because glue gun dries really fast. That's why it's so effective to use. But if you don't have your product or whatever you want to stick on, then obviously it's going to fall off because the glue stick dries really fast. And those two go there, and the stick goes there. Okay, we're doing it, girl.
Why are those two?
They're for the bottom, the base. Oh, God's sakes. That was scary, wasn't it?
Yeah. Happy that didn't go out on your leg.
And actually, it did touch my leg, and I think it might have burnt me.
Oh.
But I'm fine.
You should have saw when I burnt my finger. I think that's why it's red.
Do you?
Oh my God, look at the hairs.
It's not hair.
That's glue.
It's glue webs.
Can't believe that's how far it sticks. And I can't believe glue has webs. I mean, like, it's not a spider. Ooh, look at all the glue inside.
Yeah, we can just peel off all the dry stuff later. By the way, yeah, The Simpsons is on in the background.
Just ignore it, like it's not even on. I mean, like it's not happening in the back of us.
I got it on my finger. It didn't burn me, but it did get on the on my finger. See, this is why you want adults to do it. I know it didn't hurt me because I'm prone. Like I'm not prone, but stuff like that doesn't hurt me. And no, I'm not unbuckling it. It's just my zipper is weird on this specific pair of pants. Now, before I glue this onto the base,
I think you wear that pair of pants all the time. Is that
I never wear jeans. It's like I've only been wearing jeans recently. I've like never used to wear jeans ever.
Guys, you can feel you should feel this. It's so soft. And no, guys, don't splat it like this.
Here, I'll move it up. They can't see you.
And no, guys, don't splat it don't splat your brush like this,
Gosh, no, don't do that.
then you can't paint very good.
And then this
Oh my
will go
God,
right
look
there.
at the glue webs.
Okay, so Mom, I'm on our last bit of gluing except for the little prong. By prong, I mean the perch that a bird would go on. My best friend Danielle, like my at school best friend, she had to use the glue gun at school for our art project, and she always kept burning herself. So we came to the conclusion of her using the glue gun and me sticking her gems on so that she wouldn't burn herself because I'm such a nice person. Everyone know what I'm doing, guys? I'm just getting all the little glue webs gone. Now, this is the one that's going to be the hardest to do.
The stick. So we have a part 2?
You don't need a part 2.
Oh yeah, because the glue dries very fast.
Glue's dried already. We're done with the glue. I'm just going to show them what it looks like.
Can't believe all of these, I can't believe mine is smaller. And we have
Now, I know you're
colors.
probably saying, oh, well, aren't you going to unplug your glue gun now or turn it off? But no, I am not, because we're going to be gluing on some gems after we paint.
And we also have some glitter glue.
And I actually want to do something with the glitter glue right now. So we're gonna have to re-angle you guys. I'm just gonna stick that up. And we're gonna angle you guys against this cup of water. So
Hopefully the glass
I'm
of water won't spill on you guys.
taking the glitter glue, and I want us to I think I'm gonna put red on it first and then do the glitter glue after it's painted red. Now let's show them the gems we have. This is the bag. And yes, we're aware you guys can't see our faces. This is one of those videos where we show you what we're doing, not us. A lot of people do, like a penny shop, you never see their faces, ever. Only Butch. Okay, ooh. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. You're wondering what I'm doing?
Oh my God, Brianna, want to know something?
What?
I just touched my green lake. All I touched was my green paint and that burnt me. My green paint.
You're insane. Okay, so these are the gems that we have. And when I put the glitter glue on the birdhouse, I think I'm going to put a pink gem in the middle on the top and another pink gem on the middle on the other side, yeah? Or even better. We're going to put a pink gem
Right there to cover
right
up
there,
the glue.
there, and on the back. So those pink gems are already occupied. Now we're going to show you what came with the set. I'm not holding it upside down. I am. As you can see, this is not white glue. It is, not white paint, it's glue. But yeah, I'm just going to pop that open there now.
I hate when they do this to the paints.
They seal them tight. They air seal them.
And by the way, we forgot to show you the brushes. This is Brianna's and this is mine. Sorry about the lighting.
You really are sorry about the lighting. We had to come out somewhere where there was a plug, so we couldn't do it in front of our set. Yes, there's a plug there, but it's really too far away. Plus, it's too dangerous. These are my paints that I brought, and this is the paint that you get. Kirsten's going to use the paint she got, and we're going to compare the two. And if she needs any of my colors, she can use them, though. But like the red, the yellow, the blue, and the green, she's going to use from this set. Okay, guys? So you can compare them. And the water's behind you, so if you see us leaning over you, it's because, we need our brushes wet. So, Kirsten.
And the paint. Oh, no, the paint.
I'm going to open your little thing for you, and we're going to put your paint over on that white paper so it doesn't spilly willy willy. I don't need to open the glue for you.